Alkenes and alcohols, why are alkene molecules unsaturated? Now I'm also going to pull up the specification. Always pull up the specification, especially now at this point, because beforehand you could learn stuff that wasn't relevant to specification to help you with your understanding, but at this point now you just want to be memorizing and reviewing content that is specifically on the spec. So alkenes are unsaturated because they have at least one carbon-carbon double bond, make more bonds with extra atoms. High electron density, yep, it's because it's got two pairs of electron carbon-carbon double bond. Okay, why are alkene molecules unsaturated? Hydrocarbons, it says on the spec. Hydrocarbons. Two things have an electrophilic addition. The bond opens up, atoms added. Yep. But again, they would never ask you this. They would just ask you for, again, students should be able to outline the mechanism. Easy. Explain information. Yeah, they would never ask you what happens in electrophilic addition. That is a useless flashcard at this point. Two examples of electrophiles, positive charge ions, polar molecules. When you shake an alkene with orange bromine water, you form bromines added across carbon-carbon double bond, forming a colorless dibromine alkane. Carbocation, organic ion contains positive charged carbon atom. Alkenes undergo electrophilic addition with hydrogen halides to form halogen alkanes. Carbocation intermediate amount of each product formed depends on how stable carbocation formed in the middle of the reaction is. More stable, you definitely need to know this because the alkyl group feeds electrons towards positive charge, positive inductive effect. Alkenes react with cold concentrated acid from alkyl hydrogen sulfates. What is a polymer? Now we are on to addition polymers and all of that. Draw a repeating unit, draw this, explain why that's all they want. Never ask you for this. It did ask you for addition polymers. Well, alkenes act as monomers and double bonds open up together to make long chains. They never ask you what is a polymer. Again, useless flashcard. Why are polyalkene chains saturated molecules? Only contain single bonds, and main carbon shape polyalkene, they are non-polar, and therefore they're unreactive. Yep. Non-polar, unreactive, only held by van der Waals forces. Longer polymer chains close together, stronger van der Waals force between them. Yep, obviously we just went through polymer chains. Longer and closer, stronger van der Waals forces.